Hi, this is a how-to video on how to get the batteries out of the C280 key fob. You can see this is all one piece here, and then here is the key fob itself on the inside. I just watched several videos, struggled with it for about 30 minutes, and then finally figured it out. So I'm going to put this back together like this. Just like that. Squeeze it back together. There's a little clip there. So what I'm going to do now is inside here, here's the key that I took out of it. So this goes here like this. And there's the little black tab here that you slide across and your key, valet key, pops out. So I'll put that out. And in here, you can see, I'm going to flip this over, that tab right here, and that tab slides back and forth. Another way to do that is just to take your key like this and pull it. I don't know if you can see that. Pull it like this. So when you pull it, this body here will start to loosen up. And it's really kind of a trick because you've got to keep pressure on the thing, on the tab, and then you've got to pull this out at the same time. And it's really not too difficult once you figure it out, but you've got to keep your hands active. What I mean by that is you got to hold on to the key, put it in the tab here, that tab right there, See how that moves back and forth? Pull it over, grab it with your fingers, and pull it out, just like that. Tab over, grab it with your fingers, and pull it out. So I hope this video was helpful. There's 2 batteries in there to replace. This is from a 2006 C280 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz. Thanks for watching.